We are going to go ahead and start our reading mini lesson. The teaching point today says good nonfiction readers can identify the author's viewpoint. Today we are going to complete a page together about an author's point of view. Remember, POV stands for point of view. Author's point of view or author's perspective. It's how the author thinks or feels about a particular topic. Sometimes it is easy to spot the author's opinion. Other times the reader has to infer. What do active readers think about while reading to find the author's point of view? You need to ask yourselves, does the author agree or disagree with the topic? Determine why the author wrote the particular passage, and of course be looking for words, phrases, and sentences from the text that help support the author's opinion. You hear Tuck playing in the background. The author's point of view sample questions. Sorry, I had to grab the toy from him. Okay, so author's point of view sample questions. I'm going to start in the top row. What is the author's point of view about blank? That's where you would write the topic. Which sentence from the text best supports the author's point of view? Now we're in the bottom row, starting on the left-hand side. Which evidence from the text supports the author's point that blank? And with which statement would the author most likely agree? With which statement would the author most likely disagree? We're going to go ahead and read the Nate and Kate debate as a class, and then you're actually going to be writing down Nate and Kate's point of view, okay? You can write it in your notebook, that way you don't forget, and make sure you're adding your own point of view or perspective, and then you're actually going to be also putting it into a Flipgrid so we can hear what you were thinking. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the link. I'm going to be reading it out loud to you, and you can be following along. At any point, remember that this is recorded, so you can always go back and or pause. Nate and Kate debate games. Mrs. Johnson's class gets to play a game this Friday. The class will be taking a vote on which game to play. Read Kate and Nate's point of view on the issue. Identify what each character's points of view are. Write your own point of view in the space provided. So instead of you writing it, obviously you're going to be doing a Flipgrid. All right. We're going to be listening to Nate first. We should play basketball this Friday. People can decide whether they want to play on teams or just shoot hoops. Kids can play on teams with their friends, and we can challenge each other. I hope you vote to play basketball with me. Now here is Kate. Let's play tag this Friday. Everyone will play together if they want, or people can play with their friends. We could even do cool things like freeze tag. If you get tagged, you have to freeze in place. It'll be fun. So think about each point of view, and then you're going to add your own point of view on Flipgrid. Let me go ahead and X out of this and go back to our slides. Okay, so not only are you doing Flipgrid, but you're going to also be doing an assignment in Class Kick. It is titled 1110 Author's Point of View Number 2. And once again, you will see all of this in your independent task page.